In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close Google Chrome without losing any of your open tabs. This is a neat trick that can save you a lot of time, especially if you're someone who likes to keep multiple tabs open for work or personal use. Losing your tabs can be a hassle, but thankfully, Google Chrome offers an easy way to preserve them, even when you close the browser. Let's start with the technique that's gaining popularity among users. First, you'll want to open your Google Chrome browser as usual with all of your necessary tabs. Whenever you're ready to save your session and close your browser, rather than clicking the X at the top right of the window, you're going to use a nifty feature in the Chrome settings. On the top right corner of the screen, you'll see three vertical dots. Click on these dots to open the main menu. From this menu, navigate down to Settings and click on it. The Settings tab opens, offering a range of customization options and features. What we're interested in is near the bottom of the menu, under the section labeled On Startup. Here, you'll have three choices for what Google Chrome does when you launch it. The option we're going to focus on is Continue where you left off. By selecting this, every time you reopen Chrome, it will load the tabs you had open last time. This is the crucial step that allows you to close Chrome without worrying about losing your tabs. When selected, Chrome keeps track of these tabs for you, and they'll be waiting right where you left them the next time you start it up. Of course, you may be wondering, what happens if Chrome crashes or if your computer reboots unexpectedly? The good news is, with this feature activated, Chrome is designed to recover your previous session automatically, so all your tabs should still be there when you restart the browser. Now, a little tip. It's advisable to regularly bookmark pages that are crucial or more complex for your ongoing work. This ensures that regardless of any technical hiccups, you'll have a permanent way to access important sites. Bookmarking is easy. Simply press Ctrl+D on Windows or Command+D if you're using a Mac, and select a folder to save. In summary, by adjusting just a small setting in Google Chrome, you can save yourself the effort and time of reopening all those tabs each time. It's a simple, yet effective way to manage your browsing session. Thank you for tuning in. I hope this guide helps streamline your browsing experience. If you have any further questions or need additional tips, feel free to leave a comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tech tips.